Imagine investing in a magical financial growth machine. A machine that automatically picks the right stocks, invests your money, and watches it grow, all without you lifting a finger. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, that's the promise of Raiz. But is it too good to be true? Can we really trust Raiz to handle our hard-earned money? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Raiz. Raiz is a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. It uses a sophisticated algorithm to select a diversified portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. The benefits of Raiz. Accessibility. Raiz makes investing accessible to everyone, even those with limited financial knowledge or small amounts of money. Automation. The platform's automated investing process takes the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to set it and forget it. Diversification. Raiz's diversified portfolio helps to spread risk and reduce volatility. Affordability. With low fees and minimal minimum investment requirements, Raiz is a cost-effective option for investors. The risks of Raiz. While Raiz offers many benefits, it's important to consider the risks involved. Market risk. Like any investment, Raiz is subject to market fluctuations. Your investments could lose value, especially during economic downturns. Algorithm risk. The algorithm used by Raiz to select investments is not infallible. It's possible that the algorithm could make poor investment choices. Lack of control. As a passive investor, you have limited control over the specific investments in your portfolio. This can be both a benefit and a drawback. Is Raiz right for you? The decision of whether or not to trust Raiz ultimately depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. If you're looking for a low-cost, automated way to invest small amounts of money, Raiz could be a good option. However, if you prefer to have more control over your investments or are risk-averse, you may want to consider other options. Additional considerations. Before investing with Raiz, it's important to do your own research and consider the following factors. Fees. Raiz charges a management fee, which can impact your returns. Customer service. Read reviews and testimonials to get a sense of Raiz customer service. Tax implications. Investing can have tax implications. Consult with a financial advisor to understand how Raiz investments may affect your taxes. Raiz offers a convenient and affordable way to invest, but it's not without its risks. Whether or not to trust Raiz is a personal decision that depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.